To sharpen a twist drill bit, just your common everyday twist drill bit with a V-shaped point, you can use a bench grinder, but it takes a little bit more finagling to do that. One of the easiest ways is to use what's called the Drill Doctor sharpener. So I've got a couple of those here. Let me show you how one works. This is the Drill Doctor 750. So this is their top of the line model. It comes with a chuck to hold the drill bit. You've got a setting point here to put how you install the bit in the chuck, and then here's the grinding part. So let me show you how to put the bit in the chuck. So the first thing you want to do is to get your bit in there. Just get it snug. You want it to be able to pull back and forth a little bit, so you don't want it real tight. Okay, then we slide it into this registration, and you have a notch here to indicate what degree you're doing, which in this case says 118 degrees, the most common for woodworking twist bits, and that slides into there. Then you want to take the drill bit and push it forward, push down on this lever, push the bit forward now, release that, and then twist the bit until the little metal arms fall into the flutes, and then tighten it up, pull it out, and just snug it up real good, and you're ready to grind. So now let's go to the grinder. There's a diamond drum inside here that does the actual sharpening. So what we want to do is we want to take these white registration points. There's one here and one here. They're a half a turn apart. So we want to orient that kind of right here about where this top pin is, so that when I want to make a half a turn each time, and then we'll do that. Now, to be able to see if I'm actually making progress, I'm going to take a Sharpie and just color the tip here black so that we can see any progress. Once that black has been removed, we know it's sharpening. So let's get her start sharpening. White. You don't want to put a lot of pressure, just turn it. Let it ride that cam. You can hear it grinding. And for a bit this size, about a ½ inch diameter, we can see that all the black has been removed. So that tells me that we're good and sharp. So that's all I have to do. So we're all done. That bit is ready to go. So this is the Drill Doctor 500, which is very similar to the 750. The only difference really is that it comes with a chuck. It's limited to a ½ inch shank or a ½ inch size diameter drill bits. The 750 will go up to 3/4 of an inch. So it's simply the matter of a chuck. They work exactly the same. This is the Drill Doctor 350, and it works similarly. It only has one angle setting, and it has a little bit different chuck. So what we want to do is put our drill bit in. And with this one, it's got two little arms here. So what you want to do is turn your drill bit until those arms are kind of pointing or against the side of the flute. So they're down in the flutes, but then they hit the drill bit as you turn it. And then we want a ½ inch extended. So I've got that just right. So now I want to tighten that up, and we're good to go. Again, I want to take my white marks that are a ½ a turn apart. In this case, they're triangles. So I want to just sharpen the same way. And there's our bit, all nice and sharp, ready to go again.